Good day, Ma'am Venus C. Lumapak. I am LV Kaitor of BSID 2A. Today, I will be comparing and contrasting the FET simulation and the CK12. So, they are both educational platforms that provide interactive learning experience on the students, but they have differences that focus on features. First is the purpose. The purpose of the FET simulation, it only provide interactive simulations for science and math concepts, while the CK12 offers a wide range of educational resources including the simulation, the textbook, and the practice exercises. Next is their subject covered. The primarily subject covered here in FET simulation is the physics, chemistry, biology, earth science, and also math. While the CK12 it covers a broader range of subjects, including STEM, social science, and also English subject. For interactivity, the FET simulation focus in on engaging like game like simulation that allows the students to manipulate various and observe real-time effect. While the CK12 it includes interactive textbooks, videos, practice problems, and some other simulation. The target audience of the FET simulation is that K-12 and early college students, while the CK-12, the, the target audience is the kinder to grade 12 students and also the teachers because the teachers can also access the CK-12. Next is their accessibility. So the accessibility of the FET simulation is they are free to use, runs on browser and mobile devices, and also the CQ12 it also free to use, available on browsers and mobile apps. Well, customization the FET simulation customization is unlimited customization of simulation, but teachers can guide students through activities. Ginagamit lang yung FET simulation ng teachers para i-guide ang students nila within their activities. For the CK12, highly customizes lessons with the ability to create their flex books or their questions using the CK12. Um, there are key differences on both FET simulation and the CK12. For FET simulation is a simulation heavy, ideal for hands-on exploration of science and math concepts. Kasi dito sa FET simulation, need ng students or ng teacher na magiging hands-on para talaga maintindihan nila kung ano ang nangyayari sa mga bagay-bagay within the science and math concepts. While the CK12 is more comprehensive, offers a variety of resources beyond simulation such as videos and assessment. Dito naman sa CK12 is nag-offer siya ng variety of resources kasi pwede kang mag-simulate, pwede ka rin gumawa ng video, or also pwede ka rin gumawa ng assessment. But the FET simulation and the CQ12 is also have similarities. Both of them are free educational platforms that aims at improving students' learning. No? Kasi ini-aim ng both platforms is ma-improve ang learning ng students at also ma-educate yung students kung ano at paano gamitin ang platform. Last, they also support interactive learning and work on multiple devices. So, sinusupport nila yung interactive learning ng students at the same time, magagamit siya in multiple devices and sa kahit anong a way of learning ng students. And that's all. Thank you.